Hey guys, I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel Artistic Bia. In today's tutorial, I will tell you that how you can give glow effect to objects in Blender. This is very easy. What you have to do is practice. First of all, open your Blender and go to Add, Mesh and Cube, just like this. Go to Add, Mesh, Cube. Now go to this word icon, change the color and set it to black. Go to material icon, new, surface and set it to emission. Change the strength and set it to 3. You can change the color as well. Now click this icon. Go to render options. Render engine is already on Eve. Go to bloom and check this. You can change the color from here, and intensity you can decrease or increase this option. Turn off these two options and your object is ready to glow. I hope this will help you out. I'm going to create a new circle or new sapphire and give it the same effect for your further practice. Kindly follow all steps if you want to create a beautiful glow effect in Blender. Go to word icon, set it to black color. Go to strength if you want to, then go to material, surface, emission, change the strength or color. Go to render option, check the bloom, change color from here. You can increase or decrease the intensity option from here. Now your object is all ready to glow. I hope this will help you out. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Kindly subscribe to my channel Artistic Bia. Like this video and share. Thank you very much for your time. Take care. Goodbye.